Welcome back. Mrs. House is still in her house. Okay, welcome back. We are finally starting a new unit. Last week we finished up the states of matter. So if you haven't completed the test yet, please do. There's an extra credit question on there, which takes me a little bit of time to individually add on. So if I've done it, if you have taken it as of Sunday, I've added on your extra credit point. Those of you that took it after 9 o'clock on Sunday, I will enter in your grade later. Okay. Anything else that you have to finish up, please get that finished up so that we can close out the state of matter unit would be best. So we are going to start the water unit today. Okay, I also thought it might be handier as we've gotten lots more weeks than we anticipated. I put the oldest week, the first week, down on the bottom of our page. And then as we go up now, these are the most recent units. So the most recent unit is up here on top. Okay, if you haven't done the test, I even put it over here on the side for you. So you can see it and have an easy access to it. Okay, the next one is going to be starting our water unit. So here it is, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday are what we're starting to plan. We'll start with Monday is the Quizlet. I thought we'll start the vocabulary, just start that one so you get an idea of what the new words are since you can't hear me using them all the time. Chemistry jokes are sodium funny. I slapped my knee on that one. Ha 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 ha. Can't forget about these ones. Okay, here's the video, and then I already told you about the test. We're starting the water unit. Start practicing the Quizlet to learn the new water vocabulary. An idea is to play 3 games or 3 different rounds, like the flashcards or the matching or this gravity game. My son's been encouraging me to try this since he does it with his, but I beat him. I got to level 9 with 28,000 points. So see if you can beat me on this gravity game with this Quizlet. Okay. Other than that, please let me know. We can post tie runners here or not, but it will be interesting to see. Okay. Anyway, we're going to do the vocabulary worksheet after this. Will be done on Tuesday. So if you want, you can look ahead to Tuesday, but that will be for tomorrow. So have a nice day and we'll see you later. Bye.